The news in detail. Khadc, Syiem and NPP candidate Pyniaid Syiem has dismissed concern about anti-incumbency affecting the NPP in the upcoming Khadc and JHADC elections. Speaking after filing his nomination for the Nong Thamai constituency, Syiem emphasized that voters prioritize individual candidates over party affiliation, noting that district council elections are not influenced by political parties. He also explained his decision to contest in Nong Thamai following the passing of the late MDC Latiplang Khadc and urged voters to elect leaders who can effectively address key issues like the proposed 6th Schedule Amendment.
Wat ngamlong iru kat ka bangala la ibor ngan syakri kata ka badon kam nadu por covid ngalong tang MDC habadon kam kipai ba kat tu jing ngip tenrong lang ngi benrap lang kat ka bangila ban yarap kipai ba te banong tang nakadaw jong election ka jingram pidu na mensim syakri kita takim dehi kinong syakri pai ba te ho jinglong briu le sengaru ngamla ban biang bun jing duna henry ngi persyang pat benang pen bahaya ka kam kata deka ka bangidon.